This is where we decided to come after my dad's doctor's appointment. It looks like a very small little restaurant. Actually, a very small little restaurant. But when you walk in, if you like home style, I think this is a place you want to try in St. Louis. They have specials like beef tips and gravy. On Thursdays, they do sloppy joes with fried potatoes. Let's see here. That's their special board. Now on their burgers, they're letting me get a copy of the menu for desserts, but deep fried Twinkies, I'll show you something about them in a minute. This is all their burgers, 48 burgers. And Thursday specials, homemade sloppy joes. This was what I was saying about their deep fried Twinkies. They have a whole list of them and the way you can get them done, which I've never seen for that before. So we have some ravioli. Good. So I got the ravioli. These are homemade, done in-house. These aren't frozen and reheated. These are good. We have beef tips and gravy, French fries, and a burger. Nice flavor on the French fry. And I'm going to taste this beef tip and gravy. Try the beef tips and gravy.
A double on one of those. She already has seen so many more things to do. Nothing exciting. And the cycle is taken by Anderson. But it's slowly on some projects. So Andrew's
It's really nice. It has nice flavor. It doesn't need any salt. Gravy is very, very good. Not a mixed gravy.